We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of the Furhaven Cooling Gel dog bed for large dogs with removable washable cover, designed for dogs up to 150 pounds. This review aims to present a balanced, expert-driven perspective on what users like and dislike about this product, so you can make an informed decision. If you own this item, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others. The link to the product is in the description using it supports the channel. The Furhaven Cooling Gel dog bed stands out in the market for its thoughtful design and focus on comfort, especially for large breeds and dogs with joint or mobility issues. Measuring 51 inches long, 36 inches wide, and 8 inches thick, and weighing 13 pounds, this bed is substantial enough to accommodate even the largest household dogs, including breeds like German Shepherds, Huskies, and Pyridors. The bed is constructed with ultra-plush faux fur and suede, offering a soft yet sturdy surface that many dogs seem to find irresistible. The contour mattress design features gentle, raised edges or humps on each side, providing a comfortable place for dogs to rest their heads, much like a pillow, while the flat center supports the body evenly. The cooling gel foam is a highlight intended to regulate temperature and prevent overheating, which is particularly beneficial for dogs with thick coats or those prone to getting hot while resting. One of the most frequently praised aspects of the Furhaven Cooling Gel dog bed is its comfort and support. Owners of older dogs or those with arthritis and hip dysplasia consistently report that their pets are eager to use the bed and seem visibly more relaxed and comfortable. The thick gel foam base provides cushioning that relieves pressure on joints, making it easier for dogs to get up and down without discomfort. Several reviewers mention that their dogs, who previously struggled to find a comfortable resting position, now seek out this bed as their preferred spot in the house. The size is also a significant advantage, with many users noting that the Jumbo Plus or XXL option is spacious enough for even the largest breeds to stretch out fully, or for two medium-sized dogs to share. Some owners even report that the bed is so comfortable that children or adults have curled up on it themselves, attesting to its plushness and support. Ease of cleaning is another major benefit highlighted in user feedback. The removable, washable cover is designed for convenience, allowing pet owners to keep the bed fresh and sanitary with minimal effort. Many users find that regular vacuuming with a spinning brush attachment quickly removes hair and dust, and the cover can be machine washed when deeper cleaning is needed. The tight fit of the cover around the foam prevents the formation of crevices where dirt and debris can accumulate, making maintenance straightforward. This is particularly appreciated by owners of heavy shedding breeds, who often struggle to keep pet beds clean. The cover's material is described as soft and luxurious, yet practical for everyday use. Durability is generally rated positively, especially regarding the foam's ability to retain its shape and support over time. Several users report that even after years of daily use, the padding has not broken down or become lumpy, which is a common issue with lower quality dog beds. The bed's construction appears to hold up well under the weight of large dogs, and the overall quality is seen as excellent for the price point. The product comes with a 90-day limited manufacturer warranty and may qualify for a 60-day worry-free program, providing additional peace of mind for buyers. However, there are some drawbacks to consider, particularly regarding the bed's resistance to chewing and scratching. Multiple reviewers caution that the cover is not chew-proof or even particularly scratch-resistant. Owners of puppies or dogs that like to dig or rearrange bedding have found that the cover can tear relatively easily, especially if subjected to repeated scratching or biting. Once the cover is damaged, the foam inside becomes vulnerable and can be pulled out or further destroyed. This issue is more pronounced in households with young, untrained dogs or breeds known for destructive behavior. Some users mitigate this by covering the bed with an additional blanket or by closely supervising their pets, but it is clear that the Furhaven Cooling Gel dog bed is best suited for adult, well-trained dogs who do not have a habit of chewing or scratching their beds. Another minor concern is the thickness of the cover material. While it is praised for its softness, some users feel that it is too thin to withstand heavy use over long periods, especially in multi-dog households or with dogs that are particularly active on their beds. Over time, normal wear and tear may lead to the need for a replacement cover, though the positive trade-off is the exceptional comfort the material provides. The bed is also not intended for outdoor use, as the materials are not weatherproof and could be damaged by moisture or prolonged exposure to the elements. The cooling gel feature receives mixed but generally positive feedback. While it is difficult to measure precisely how much cooler the bed remains compared to standard foam options, many owners of dogs with thick coats or those prone to overheating report that their pets seem more comfortable and less restless, especially during warmer months. The gel foam appears to dissipate heat more effectively than traditional memory foam, though the difference may not be dramatic in all cases. For dogs with mobility issues or those recovering from surgery, the combination of cooling and support can make a noticeable difference in overall comfort and quality of rest. Aesthetically, the bed is well received for its neutral gray color and sleek design, which blends easily with most home decor. The large size and plush appearance make it a prominent feature in any room, but most owners appreciate that it looks inviting and well-made rather than bulky or unattractive. The bed's low profile allows it to fit comfortably in various spaces, including living rooms, bedrooms, and even custom dog cubbyholes or nooks. Some owners have purchased multiple beds for different rooms, indicating a high level of satisfaction with the product. In terms of value, the Furhaven Cooling Gel Dog Bed is considered a worthwhile investment by most reviewers, especially for those with large or aging dogs. While the initial cost may be higher than some basic pet beds, the durability, comfort, and ease of maintenance justify the price for many users. The ability to remove and wash the cover, the supportive gel foam, and the spacious design all contribute to a product that meets the needs of both pets and their owners. The bed's popularity is reflected in its high customer ratings and strong word-of-mouth recommendations. There are a few additional considerations for potential buyers. The bed is manufactured by Furhaven Pet Products, Inc. and is made in China. It is designed for indoor use and is suitable for all life stages, though it is particularly beneficial for senior dogs or those with joint issues. The product dimensions and weight should be taken into account when deciding where to place the bed, as it is quite large and may not fit in smaller spaces. The cover can be hand or machine washed, and detailed care instructions are provided on the hang tag or seam label. For warranty or customer service inquiries, Furhaven provides contact information and encourages buyers to register their product for additional coverage. In summary, the Furhaven Cooling Gel Dog Bed for large dogs with removable washable cover is a highly rated, expertly designed pet bed that excels in comfort, support, and ease of maintenance. It is especially well suited for large breeds, senior dogs, and those with joint or mobility issues. The cooling gel foam and plush materials provide a luxurious resting place that many dogs quickly adopt as their favorite spot. The removable, washable cover makes cleaning simple, and the bed's durability ensures long-lasting performance for most users. However, the cover is not chew or scratch resistant, so households with destructive dogs may need to take extra precautions or consider alternative options. The bed's size and appearance make it a prominent but attractive addition to any home, and the overall value is reflected in strong customer satisfaction and repeat purchases. If you are looking for a high-quality, comfortable bed for your large dog, and your pet is not prone to chewing or scratching, the Furhaven Cooling Gel Dog Bed is an excellent choice. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. If you have experience with this bed, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision.